Dallas issued a flash flood warning about 21 minutes ago. I'm gonna see if they'll repeat it. Because I didn't have IEM bot on.
The Cisco climate summary for yesterday, December
I want to see
23rd,
when they'll repeat it.
Yesterday's high temperature
Actually,
was
first,
73 degrees and the low 54 degrees. No precipitation fell yesterday. Sunrise today is at 7:35
San Angelo
p.m.
hasn't
and
issued
sunset
anything
is
yet.
at 5:37 p.m. The Eastland climate summary for yesterday, December 23rd, 2024. Yesterday's high temperature was 73 degrees and the low 51 degrees. No precipitation fell yesterday. Sunrise today is at 7:34 a.m. and sunset is at 5:36 p.m. The Ranger climate summary for yesterday, December 23rd, 2024. Yesterday's high temperature was 73 degrees and the low 55 degrees. No precipitation fell yesterday. Sunrise today is at 7:34 a.m. and sunset is at 5:35 p.m. The current time is 9:31 a.m. Central Standard Time. You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station WNG 636.
Will they repeat it
serving
here?
the Cisco listening area. The following reports of weather temperature and wind were made at 9 a.m. Cisco, partly sunny, 54, dew point 52, relative humidity 94%, wind northwest at 8, pressure 30.09 inches and rising. Eastland, cloudy, 54, dew point 48, relative humidity 81%, wind northwest at 7, pressure 30.11 inches and rising. Ranger, cloudy, 55, dew point 50, relative humidity 84%, wind northwest at 7, pressure 30.10 inches and rising. Abilene, fog, 53, north at 5. Breckenridge, haze, 56, northwest at 7. Stephenville, cloudy, 63, southwest at 5. Comanche, cloudy, 64, southwest at 6. Brownwood, cloudy, 62, northwest at 5. Coleman, cloudy, 55, north at 7. Elsewhere around the region, San Angelo, light rain and fog, 56, northeast at 6. Wichita Falls, cloudy, 54, north at 15. DFW Airport, thunder, 63, south at 15. Now let's check on your local forecast for Eastland County and surrounding areas.
Texas NOAA radio stations. Can I see Ben?
Isolated thunderstorms this morning. Then a chance of thunderstorms this afternoon. Cooler with highs in the lower 60s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Lows in the upper 40s. North winds around 5 miles an hour. Christmas Day, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. Highs around 60. North winds around 5 miles an hour. Wednesday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the upper 40s. Southeast winds around 5 miles an hour. And now the extended forecast.
I don't think they tone for Parker County.
A slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then mostly sunny with a chance of showers in the afternoon.
No, it's only a few
Highs
counties.
in the mid-60s.
Nope, they don't. It's Brown, Callahan, Comanche, Eastland, Shackelford, and Stevens. So, yeah, they don't. They tone for San Angelo counties. They tone for those.
Friday, mostly sunny.
And then they also tone for some Dallas counties.
Friday night, partly cloudy.
So, yeah, no. It doesn't tone for it.
Saturday, sunny.
Okay.
Highs in the upper 60s. Saturday night,
Tarrant,
mostly
Texas.
clear. Lows in the lower 40s. Sunday,
They also don't tone for that.
highs in the lower 70s.
Means KC-55 and KC-56 are getting blown up.
Lows in the mid 40s.
Here.
Monday, sunny. Highs in the mid 70s. Afternoon. Chance of rain.
I didn't
50%.
save it.
Thursday night through Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. Highs in the upper 60s.
Yeah, whatever you say.
Saturday through Sunday night,
They
mostly
issued it.
clear. in the lower
Let's see
70s.
if it's repeating it.
Lows in the mid-40s. Monday, sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. The Abilene climate summary for yesterday, December 23rd, 2024. Yesterday's high temperature was 9:31 p.m. Central Standard Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms
Here we go.
producing heavy rain across northern Tarrant County. Radar estimates up to 1.5 inches of rain have fallen so far this morning, with observed rainfall rates of 2 inches in 1 hour. More thunderstorms moving into the area the rest of the morning could produce additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fort Worth, Flower Mound, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Halton City, Keller, Coppell, Hearst, Southlake, Watauga, Colleyville, Benbrook, Saginaw, White Settlement, Hazel, Trophy Club, Richmond Hills, and River Oaks. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex.
There we go.
Today, cloudy with showers, likely with a chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-60s. South winds 5 to 10
Flash
miles
flooding
an hour,
possible.
becoming west this afternoon.
Yeah,
Chance of rain
that's it.
70%.
Alright. Bye guys,
Tonight,
there you go,
cloudy.
EAS.